Hi, how do you log into your ThriveCart account? Simply go to thrivecart.com and go to the top area here that says sign in. So click here. Make sure you have your email you set up your account with, and then put in your password. Got the wrong password there. Let me go ahead and type it in. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. And there you go. Now you've signed in. You should be able to see these two areas here, my accounts and my affiliate account. If you were still struggling with clunky checkout pages that scare customers away, I've been there too. And switching to ThriveCart has been a game changer. It's simple, clean, and built to actually convert, which means more sales and less stress. So check it out. You could set it up once and it keeps working for you behind the scenes. You can check out my link below in the description, or go ahead and look at the first comment if you want to know more about ThriveCart.